Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to add or remove Netflix movies and shows from your home screen and recommendations. Method 1. Go to home screen, then go down, select manage services. Here you can see list of services. From this list let me enable Netflix. Done. After this we get recommendations of Netflix movies and shows in home screen. If you don't want, you can disable this. Okay, this is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2, go to home screen. From top, select all settings. Go to accounts and profiles. Select account. Go to your services. Here you get same list. From here also you can enable or disable service. See. So you can try this. These are the two methods. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.